Reason for service call. The Kenmore dishwasher door does not close well and opens spontaneously during washing. I take the dishwasher out of the furniture and remove the front door trim. These give me an overview of the entire door mechanism. A visual inspection revealed that the dishwasher door springs and dishwasher door balance link kit are in perfect order, but dishwasher door hinge lever bearing popped up and is out of place. In addition, the dishwasher lower door gasket holder also came loose from their place. The dishwasher door hinge lever bearing and dishwasher lower door gasket holder are not damaged and do not need to be replaced. All I have to do is attach them in place. I install the dishwasher door hinge lever bearing and the dishwasher lower door gasket holder in their proper places.